So here we are in my 66 Chevelle. We are able to fit the 2010 Camaro center console, and it has Pro Car seats in it. We dyed them blue to match the interior. And so stage one, we took the shifter in the center and we 3D printed a cover for it for me to put my cell phone. There's also a dial in there for me to connect a Bluetooth board to the speaker so that we can have some music in it, just simple music for now. And then we're going to try to get those gauges to work, those SS gauge pack from the 2010 Camaro, and then 3D print some plastic to make it go all the way up to the dash to make it look like it's made for it. So if we look real quickly here in the center console, this comes up, and we 3D printed this to match the factory one. And then here's my little controller down here for some audio. This turns it on and adjusts the volume there, so my cell phone can connect via Bluetooth to my radio. So this is just there for looks, and then that's able to control the music. So if you need something 3D printed, you want to do something similar, I've already got the plate made. Maybe leave me some suggestions of what you might want here besides a phone holder, and I can make one for you. All right. Thanks for watching.